For Friday, northeast winds around 5 knots, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Sea is 2 to 3 feet.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for southern Morris County, north central Somerset County until 10 p.m. At 7 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm over the warned area. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Stocasana, Parsippany, East Hanover, Bud Lake, Warden, Rockaway, Netcong, Mountain Lakes, Morris Plains, Dover and Boonton. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris and Somerset. Here is the forecast.